In this video, I will show you what is blockchain and how it works. What's up guys, I am Sandeep and you are watching Duval. So what is blockchain? Blockchain is shared immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets in a business network. Virtually anything of value can be tracked and traded on a blockchain network, reducing risk and cutting cost for all involved. Yet blockchain technology, for all its merits, is not a new technology. Rather, it is a combination of proven technologies applied in a new way. It was the particular orchestration of three technologies: the internet, private key, cryptography, and a protocol governing incentivization that made Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto's idea so useful. Blockchain was began to emerge as a real-world tech option in 2016 and 17 is poised to change IT in much the same way one open source software did a quarter century ago. Based on peer-to-peer topology, blockchain is distributed ledger technology that allows data to be stored globally on thousands of servers, while letting anyone on the network see everyone else enters in real time. That makes it difficult for one user to gain control of the network. How does blockchain work? In recent years, you may have noticed many businesses around the world integrating blockchain technology. But how exactly does blockchain technology work? Blockchain is a combination of three leading technologies: cryptographic keys, a peer-to-peer network containing a shared ledger, a means of computing to store the transaction and the records of the network. Cryptographic key consists of two keys: private key and public key. These keys help in performing successful transaction between the two parties. Each individual has these two keys, which they use to produce a secure digital identity reference. This secured identity is the most important aspect of blockchain technology. In the world of cryptocurrency, this identity is referred to as the digital signature and is used for authorizing and controlling transactions. Digital signature is merged with the peer-to-peer network. A large number of individuals who act as authorities use the digital signature in order to reach consensus on the transactions, among other issues. When they authorize a deal, it is certified by a mathematical verification which results in successful secured transaction between the two network-connected parties. To sum it up, blockchain users employ a cryptographic key to perform different types of digital interactions over the peer-to-peer network. Each digital record or the transaction in the electronic ledger is called a block. Each block consists of three things: hash, data, hash of the previous block. When a block is completed, it requires a unique, secure code that ties it to the next block. Each block within the blockchain is identified by a hash generated using SHA-256 cryptographic hash algorithm on the header of the block. Each block also references a previous block known as the parent block through the previous block hash field in the block header. The sequence of the hashes linking each block to its parent creates a chain going back to all the way to the first block ever created, known as the genesis block. Although a block has just one parent, it can temporarily have multiple children. Each of the children refers to the same block as its parent and contains the same parent hash in the previous block hash field. The previous block hash field is inside the block header and thereby affects the current block's hash. When the parent is modified in any way, the parent's hash changes. The parent's change hash facilitates a change in the previous block hash pointer of the child. This in turn causes the child's hash to change, which requires a change in the pointer of the grandchild, which in turn changes the grandchild, and so on. This cascade effect ensures that once a block has many generations following it, it cannot be changed without forcing a recalculation of all the subsequent blocks, because such a recalculation would require enormous computation, and the existence of a long chain of the block makes the blockchain deep history immutable, which is a key feature of blockchain security. Why blockchain is important? Business runs on information. The faster it receives and the more accurate it is, the better. Blockchain is ideal for delivering information because it provides immediate, shared and completely transparent information stored on immutable ledger that can be accessed only by permission network members. A blockchain network can track orders, payments, accounts, production and much more. And because members share a single view of the truth, you can see all the data of the transaction end to end, giving you greater confidence as well as new efficiencies and opportunities. Application of blockchain. Blockchain application go far beyond the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, with the ability to create more transparency and fairness while also saving businesses time and money. The technology is impacting a variety of sectors in ways that range from how contracts are enforced to make the government work more efficiently. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are like regular contracts, except the rules of the contract are enforced in real time on the blockchain, which eliminates the middleman and adds level of accountability for all the parties involved in a way not possible with the traditional agreements. This saves the businesses time and money, while also ensuring compliance from everyone involved. Blockchain-based contracts are becoming more and more popular as sectors like government, healthcare, and real estate industry discovers the benefit. Money transfer. Pioneered by Bitcoin, cryptocurrency transfer apps are exploding in popularity right now. Blockchain is especially popular in finance for the money and time it can save financial companies of all the sizes. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things (IoT) is the next logical boom in the blockchain applications. Blockchain infused to IoT adds a higher level of security to prevent data breaches by utilizing transparency of the technology to keep things smart. It's important to understand what are the types of blockchain networks, and that's what we cover in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you won't miss the next one.